Aquabead ceramic coating, hyper gloss. I'm Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. We're going to do the 1 week update of Aquabead on this test panel. Landon, why do you have it covered up? Great question, because I am getting ready to do a comparison over my product and another product. So I'm looking at the zooms real quick. I want to make sure I get a good angle. This is not going to be a long video. We're just going to be going over it. And just remember that did a half of it with aftercare and then one half without the aftercare. So I'm going to set these down right here, and we have 60% humidity and 68 degrees. So kind of interesting temperatures to be working in, but I'm going to show you all the water behavior, and this is going to be the first wash, day 7. All right, here we go. So here's water behavior. I'm going to zoom it in so y'all can see. All right, that's about 4 gallons a minute, okay? So we're gonna do that. Then once we do that, yeah, that's the competition. So if you wanna know who's gonna be doing the versus, well, there it's gonna be Armor Shield, okay. But Adam's pH neutral soap got us a wash mitt. I'm gonna do a pump of it really quick. Hold on, bear with me. Mix it up real quick. And we're gonna do it. This panel feels slick to the touch already. So first week test, like I said, and we're gonna do this every week. And then once this is done weekly, I weighted purposely. So it's 2 times. I'm purposely gonna push it a little bit more. Let the soap sit on there, let the surfactant sit. But anyways, getting back to this. So when we do Aquabead and aftercare, one's gonna be on one side, one's gonna be on the other, but we'll do weekly test also. So we'll have a kind of a baseline right here, and then I don't know how many times this is, but there you go. I'm putting it through the ringer, okay? We're gonna rinse it, and then I have my Works 600 CFM blower also. All right, so I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way because I don't wanna knock it over. 1 second. And if there's ticking in the background, I apologize. That's my neighbors. I don't know what it is, but it's been kind of driving me nuts for a while. So here we go on the rinse. I think it's holding up just fine on its own. I'm gonna zoom out again. All right, so looking good, great contact angle, good water beads. I'm gonna dismount y'all, let y'all get a look at it. Very good on the water contact angle. Okay. Probably should have put the camera over here. So that's what I'll do. That's way better lighting. That way y'all can see really good. So my fancy setup. Trying to keep the portion a little bit cleaner tonight. Apologies again. All right, there we go. And then I'm gonna flood it one more time, and then we're gonna hit it with the Works blower. All right, so we got that. And then the test everybody loves, obviously, is going to be the water hose test, right? Everybody loves that. So the water is cold, I do know that much. There you go. Look at that, it looks awesome. All right, do that, and then we'll do the works test really quick, and I'll be done. So bear with the noise as it's coming. I'm gonna let you know right now. 3, 2, 1. Done. All right. So aquabead looking fabulous. All right. Dry panel. Oh, sorry. Let's get over the light. Dry panel looks awesome. Y'all saw the beading. So y'all stick around because I'm going to be doing another one here in a little bit, but that is aquabead week 1. Love y'all. Talk to y'all soon.